What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So for those of you that follow us, you know we just recently picked up a new 2024 Model 3 long range. Yes, this is one of those Highlander variants, obviously. And as crazy as it is, we've actually had it for over a month already, which means the complimentary FSD trial just came to an end a few days ago. And actually, in the same day that ended, we got pushed the most recent software update, since obviously it's not waiting on a different branch for FSD supervised, in the form of 2024.20.9. This is the one with the headlight adaptation where it goes with the curves and all of that. There are some updates in this. I want to actually hop in the Model 3 and show you some of these changes. Obviously, the headlights are the main one, and also it's very interesting now that since Tesla is really pushing, and to be honest with you, we didn't even activate the FSD supervised trial. It was already active at time of delivery. So when we picked up the vehicle, it was already live. We didn't have a choice to enable it or wait, none of that. So we weren't going to pay the upcharge for it. We know it's still a work in progress. We've had plenty of videos in the past talking about FSD and how it's truly not ready yet in our eyes. But let's go ahead and jump in the Model 3 and take a look at this. So as you can tell, back inside the Model 3 and jumping first into settings and software, you can see right here, we are running 2024.20.9 with a full branch number of 1A02147BE9AF. And one quick call out, as you can see, because we will be doing another video on this here soon, is we've already put over 1,300 miles on this. So aside from that, as you can tell, we don't have a lot of new notification icons signaling a lot of changes here, but one that was present prior to us recording this video before we went into it is obviously that new adaptive headlights. And as you can see, that's right here, and it's automatically disabled when you actually install this. Kind of weird Tesla didn't go ahead and just have it active, but once you trigger it on, it says auto high beams and adjust headlights for curves. So basically, the adaptive matrix headlights will actually kind of ebb and flow with the road to give you better visibility ahead of time. Jumping through all of these other categories isn't even needed here, honestly, just because there was so limited amount of things found in this update. If we go back into software and release notes, you'll see it was just bug fixes, nothing big here. There were changes to autopilot suspension. We do also have this exact same 2024.20.9 build in our Cybertruck. That actually we haven't done a video for. However, that actually improved the DC fast charging. That'll help at superchargers. There were changes that weren't relevant to the US for auto park. Power front doors on the new Model X's. When you approach your vehicle, the automatic doors are enabled. The driver door can open up halfway by itself. Nice little touch as well there. Aside from that, there was not a ton of other details in this release. Beach Buggy Racing 2 had some changes if you actually are into all of that stuff in the arcade. But aside from that, hot weather improvements were in a prior build. Yeah, we're really looking forward to getting past the 2024.20 build line and seeing what's next. There's rumors that what's coming soon will be it will be YouTube Music and Amazon Music in the next branch. I believe it was actually 2024.25. Don't quote me on that, but we will know here shortly. Aside from that, do you have any preferred new features or favorite new features here in the 2024.20 builds? Let us know in the comments down below. Again, quick video for you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.